Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own sound in TikTok application. It's pretty much easy and simple. So let's begin our video. First of all, tap on this or launch on your TikTok application and then go to your profile, and after go to your profile, here you can see this is my profile, and if you want to make your own sound in TikTok, you need to upload a video with your own sound. I make a screen record video from my YouTube. You can use any kind of non-copyright music, you can use anything you can use. I make a screen record video. Here you can see on my gallery. I make this screen record video from my YouTube, and you need to upload it on your TikTok at first. Here you can see this is my profile, and if you want to upload it, so you need to tap plus icon and then select your video, next, then again next, then next it. You can type anything, make own video, then post it. You need to wait for 100% completed. Here you can see it's uploading now. Okay guys, after complete uploaded, then simply open or tap on this video, and then here you can see on the down here have a option for music. So just tap on this music icon. Here you can see on the down, and then you can rename your music name, enter a sound title. Here you can see own music, then save it. And then if you want to use, on the down here you can see an option for use, and you can tap it simply and you can use. So this way you can make your own sound on TikTok very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.